Hey, good morning, anglers. It is 14 degrees outside. We're in Whittier going out. We're gonna do some deer hunting. We'll see how we do. Probably do some fishing too if it's slow. All right. Never mind. I thought it was gonna be deeper. Yeah, do your thing, bro. Oh, fuck, I wasn't recording. Three feet. 4 feet. 4. Going up to 5. What's up, guys? We're out here in the lagoon right now, and I decided to eat some lunch. Got a hot dog. Figure it out. I just unplugged it. Ketchup and mustard. Here's my hot dog. Cooked it on the buddy heater. Check for obstructions. So we'll be staying at this location. There's a cabin right there that we rented out. It's a public cabin. I give this. Figure we'd unpack, get our stuff set up before it gets dark, and then do whatever after. But it should be fun.
To have those, we got the furnace, and then 2019.
I will use my
30 minutes out, then we'll let it grow.
Okay. Let's bring our own heater.
I bet you're real sad.
This is it.
No, this isn't it. Go all the way through.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, it's showing a rock at 3 feet deep. So
3:10. What time did we leave? 20 minutes ago?
45, I think.
Alright, we're just cruising these passages and bays and coves. We're just riding around, checking, see what we can find. So far, we're just seeing some otter and birds. But it's cold out, about 15 degrees. But it's nice in here. There's hardly any wind. So we'll ride for another half hour, 40 minutes or so, and turn back around, head back to camp before it gets too dark. All right, guys, we got back to the cabin. We got everything in here, all our stuff that we want. We got our drip stove on and running. Our jackets are hanging and drying. We got some water boiling here pretty soon in the jet boil. We're gonna have some hot and spicy chicken and hot and spicy beef. Yeah. But this is the cabin. I think I showed you earlier. If not, I'll show you again tomorrow. But this is the cabin we're staying in. It can fit 6. It's big. So, yeah, we're in for the night. We got to go back out to the boat and check on it because tide is dropping. And make sure we push it out. That way we're not stuck here until tide comes back up. You guys gotta love the jet boil. It don't take long for the water to boil on this thing. So we got some water almost boiling. And we're gonna have some bowls of noodles. I'm not a big fan of noodles, but it's okay. We're out in the middle of nowhere, so it'll be good. Okay, guys. This is one thing you'll rarely see me do is eat cup of noodles because I ate it way too much in high school. And almost every night, cup of noodles or top ramen, whatever you're having, that's what it was. And then after high school, I just stopped eating it because I didn't want to. So here we go. All right, so here's the dilemma. Tide's going out. We're trying to keep the boat floating, but we got to keep pushing it out. Otherwise, we'll get stuck right on the beach. It's a pain in the butt. It's all good. All right, so get you up to speed. Tide is dropping. I told you before, you saw before. So we messed with that 4 different times. It was a pain in the butt. I think we're low enough to where we can leave it. And once low tide comes low, the boat will be close to touching the ground, and then it'll come back up. So I think we're gonna leave it where it's at, not mess with it anymore, and because high tide is at 6:30 tomorrow morning. So I think we're good. We fucked with it 4 different times. Both my feet got wet. Charlton's feet got wet. Yeah, so pain in the butt, but learning experience. It's okay. Maybe we won't do this next year. Just kidding. I don't know. We'll figure it out from here. Who knows? But it'll be all right. All right, guys, here we are. We're talking with my brother-in-law, Charlton. Charlton, this is everyone.
Hi, guys.
So this is our first time deer hunting.
At Harrison Lagoon Cabin.
Yeah, that's where we're at now.
This place fucking sucks.
The cabin's nice.
The boat parking sucks.
Boat parking definitely sucks. Like I told you before, we've been out there 4 times this evening, and it was a pain in the ass. Both of us got wet. We're both trying to dry off all our gear that we've been using today.
And the stove is a 1 out of 10, by the way.
Oil drip stoves. And I got it on max, and we're finally feeling it. If you can get dropped off here, do it. Or if you can figure out a way where you can park, land, unload all your stuff, and then bring your boat out away from land.
And have the ability to retrieve your boat when you're ready after the tide has swung.
Yep. So if you can figure that out, you'll do just fine. I'm just glad we're as far as we can get right now, so we can just chill, relax, and not be wet and cold, and just chill. Just
I think
BS.
The shitty part of it is we fought that tide all fucking night in the snow.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we finished and came in here and decided to call it a night, it quit fucking snowing.
Yeah, that's true. That sucked. So we took a boat ride today. Checked out Esther Passage, which was fun, actually. Just driving through there, and didn't see anything. I went live. It was fun. Overall, great day. Evening, coming to camp, not so much. But it is what it is. We'll all have those days, and you'll have good days, you'll have bad days. But today was on the shitty side as far as first time experience in a different place.
It was a fuck around and find out day.
Yeah, it was a FAFO day. Okay.
We will,
We'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. My back is killing me. I need to get a cushion for underneath my sleeping bag because I am hurting. Anyways, the heater is nice and hot now. We had to open up the door because it was too hot about 6 o'clock this morning. So that's good though. We dried off everything and we're good to go. We're just packing up now, and tide's high, so we're not fighting the boat anymore, trying to push it down there. Now we got to get all our gear, bring it down to the beach, and get the boat. Pull that boat all the way back in and load it up. So, more of that later. Alright guys, we're in the boat, all packed up. It snowed last night. We got snow on the bow, and we're looking for some four-legged creatures.
so far nothing.
So far, we have not seen anything. Ain't that right, Captain?
That is. You want to shoot otter? Yeah. Yeah. Just remind me of those fake candy cigarettes. We are.
Mm-hmm.
Anything. Dude, that fucking shook the boat. Shooting pretty close.
Yeah. I don't know if they'll shoot with no magazine.
Try it.
Yeah. So the wind picked up. We're heading home. We checked a couple more bays. We did not see any tracks. We did not see any deer. Tried jigging a little bit, but I have no bait. So, oh shit. It's getting rough. All right, so we had to turn left and go parallel with the waves to get to the calmer spots here. So, and we have to go that way, back into the wind. So, but we're gonna go around the point right here, try to hug the land, and head back. So that's the plan. Alright, here we go. We're going back into the waves, bucking the wind. You hug that side right there. How you doing?
Oh, nervous.
The captain is nervous. Okay, we made it back. Here we are. And I don't think I'll be doing that again. It was a little rough. But my brother-in-law wanted to go, so we went. I'm not going to do that anymore. I didn't see anything. Didn't catch nothing. That's it. We're going to load up the boat and then head back. Alright, we're heading back to Anchorage now. We're going through the tunnel. If you guys don't know, this is the Whittier tunnel. It goes right through the mountain and it's 2.5 miles long. I think it's the longest tunnel in North America. So here it is.